Hello artists! Today we are going to learn how to use yarn to make a rainbow tapestry. At your table there are two pieces of tape that say yarn on it. This is how you will measure how long your yarn should be. Your yarn should stretch from one blue tape to the other. The colors you will need are in the bin in the middle of your table. Most of the yarn you will use are in clear cups, but there might be one or two colors that are too big to fit inside the cup. If that's the case, you can find the end of the yarn taped down to the ball. Put the tape to the side and measure out the length of yarn between your pieces of blue tape. Then use scissors to cut it off. Make sure to put the tape back on the end of the yarn so that the ball doesn't unravel. The other yarn balls should be inside a plastic cup and lid. Find the color you'd like and gently pull the yarn out and through the top of the lid. Go ahead and measure the yarn out between the blue tapes. When you're ready to cut, try not to cut too close to the lid. If you do, then the end of the yarn will be too short and it could fall inside the cut by accident. Instead, make sure to pull out a little extra so that you have a long tail hanging out of the cup for the next student to use. You will want to cut 3 strings of each color. You will need to take turns with the yarn and share the yarn measurement space with your table partner. Work together as a team and cooperate with each other. Make sure to be kind. If your yarn runs out, do not open up the lid of the cup. Just ask a teacher to get the next ball of yarn started for you. Now it's time to make our rainbow tapestry. Start with one piece of yarn. Line up the two ends of your yarn together so that the yarn is folded in half and has a loop at the other end. And there's the loop. Place that loop underneath your stick. Take the loop and bring it over the stick, laying it on top of the yarn. Then reach inside the loop, grab those ends of yarn and pull through. Pull nice and tight and move the string over to get ready for your next piece of yarn. Repeat this process 3 times per color and continue the process across the length of the stick so that you have a rainbow. If you're not sure what color comes next in the rainbow or if you should do light or dark, that's okay. Ask a friend nearby if they have any advice or ask a teacher. Have fun, artists!